arriving at platform 1 is the 15:45 train to Exeter, stopping at Bristol Temple Meads and arriving at Exeter St David's at 18:30.
He could I have ticket for the next train to Exeter?
Single or return?
Single, please.
The next train is at 14:45 p.m.
And how much is it?
13:50.
Here you are.
The 15:45 train or the 16:40?
50:45.
The 15:45 train leaves from platform 1.
Thanks.
Tickets, please. Can I see your ticket, please?
Yes, here you are.
This ticket is for Exeter.
Thanks, Rin.
But this train doesn't go to Exeter, it goes to Liverpool.
What? Liverpool? Oh no.